यू वांट टू परफॉर्म हज, दिस इज़ फॉर यू। आप हज करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो में आपको इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा, इसको स्किप ना कीजिएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। कैन ऑल मुस्लिम्स डू हज? In Islam, it is mandatory for every Muslim who is physically able, of sound mind, and financially capable to go on Hajj at least once in their lifetime. Who can perform Hajj in Islam? Firstly, only Muslims, adults, whether male or female, are required to perform Hajj. This means that while children may go to Hajj, it is not required of them. Secondly, the very weak, sick, elderly, or otherwise physically incapable Muslims are exempt from having to perform the Hajj. What are the criteria for Hajj? There are 5 conditions of Hajj being obligatory: being Muslim, being of sound mind, being an adult, being free, and being able to do it. Can a child perform Hajj? However, kids can go to Hajj if their guardians or parents would like to take them with him or her, and the rewards of this Hajj will be credited to the child as well as to the guardian or parents that helped the child. What is the maximum or minimum age limit for Hajj? The age limit for Hajj pilgrims has been lifted by the Saudi government, paving the way for people over 65 and children below 12 years to perform Hajj. Thanks for watching.